Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on Snapchat. Now to go ahead and add friends, first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press into your Bitmoji icon. From here, what you need to do is come down to the friends section and press onto the option which says add friends. Then what you can do is quick add some recommended friends, or use the search box at the top to add friends. So you can search for one of your friends by entering their name into here. Then what you need to do is press the yellow add button. You can also invite your friends by clicking on invite friends option under the search bar. So that's it. That is how to add friends on Snapchat. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.